March 15, 2024, we visited the Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar located at Bagac, Bataan, Philippines. The story of Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar, which first opened as a resort in 2010, is a story of innovation, passion, and dedication to Filipino heritage. For the past decade, Las Casas has created a reputation for pushing the boundaries of local artistry and craftsmanship, breathing life into local culture and history, and creating spaces where every Filipino lives with a sense of pride. Since it opened its doors in 2010, Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar showcased a story of innovation, passion, and dedication to Philippine heritage. Over the past decades, Las Casas has created spaces showcasing local history and culture, artistry and craftsmanship, and Filipino sense of pride. Having been an avid antique and arts collector, the owner, Jose L. Acuzar, grew in a particular liking to local artworks and pieces. He would collect old antiques from old houses or pieces of old houses that have been sold for parts. Growing up in the region of Bataan, Acuzar felt a deep connection to the place and had come back for vacations to his hometown in Balanga frequently. He found land located in the fishing village of Bagac, Bataan, only an hour away from Balanga. The 400-hectare estate overlooking a river was albeit ramshackle and mostly grassland. With a beachfront and surrounding mountainous views, Acuzar grew very fond of the property. He purchased the estate and built a country home with 3 bedrooms. The estate became a private vacation property for the family, with horse stables and small modern cottages.
Ito po yung lunch natin. Model de Oriente. Dadaan po natin yan. Dito po tayo babagsak sa may Casas Filipinas. Diyan po mag-start ang walking tour natin.
Saan na lang ito ang walking tour?
Ito pong bahay na ito, may mga kasaysayan po yan. Iikutin po yung bahay na yan. Tapos susunod, papasok po kayo, titignan niyo po yung baliwag, kasakya po. Sunod-sunod na po yung bahay na yan.
So yun ang mind mo ng walking tour. Pero ang tanong ko, mayroon bang mataas?
Meron po, may mga tuwid na daan naman po dyan. Hindi ko tulad po yan.
Like, asan na ang balsa ride?
Ang balsa ride po natin, ang basta sa Kasalugaw.
Kaya nga, so, yung pag nagsakay ko sa balsa, may mga nakasasa.
Meron po ma'am. May driver po yun, may mag-assist po sa inyo. May sasalubong na po sa inyo. Pagkatapos po niya, nandito na rin po yung kalesa natin.
Okay.
May mag-assist din po sa inyo. Mas po kayo mag-alala, may mag-assist po sa inyo.
Pero na-inform na sila sir na may assist.
Opo, may papasok naman po mga ganito kay ma'am. May nag-assist naman po.
Sige.
Every ride may
Opo, meron.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. In 2008, Acuzar was offered parts of an old home in Cagayan Valley. It sparked an idea to him to purchase the entire house that was being dismantled, transferred, and rebuilt piece by piece in his estate in Bagac, Bataan. It simply began with the houses on stilts, Casas Cagayan. In no time, he was offered heritage homes that were being sold using the same method of dismantle, relocate, and rebuild. Acuzar brought the heritage homes to his estate. While the estate remained private, more and more people heard about what he was doing, and the interest to see the heritage houses grew by the number. Acuzar saw an opportunity to make the property accessible to the public. To continue financing his work in restoring the heritage houses with costly repairs and refurbishments, the once private estate transformed into a resort business. So, in 2010, Las Casas opened its doors to the public as a beach resort. As Acuzar grew his team of artisans, craftsmen, and craftswomen, the property grew and expanded into 63 heritage homes and 34 structures built in the style of old houses or buildings. Today, Las Casas is a renowned resort and heritage destination that has garnered several awards and accolades throughout the past decade. The business is guided by its advocacies to initiate innovative ways to conserve the legacy of the heritage houses and to inspire pride in the tradition that has shaped Filipino heritage.
Yes! Palapakan po natin sila. Casas Filipinas De Acuzar. Las Casas Dancers. Tayo ng cultural show na gaganapin naman sa Tulay, Bacoor. Maraming salamat.
Bagac.